Hello. So we're back with our friends, the 5 little monkeys. And today, the 5 little monkeys wash a car. They wash the car. The book is written by Eileen and Christelow, and it is published by Houghton Mifflin Harcourt. Should we begin? Good. Okay, so... look at this. Mama monkey and the 5 little monkeys are in the car. Yeah, they want to drive the car. But the car goes up in smoke. Oh no, you see, it's up in smoke. This is not good. So, Mama says, I have had it. We are going to sell the car. So she says, car for sale, cheap. She wants to sell the car. All right, so the 5 little monkeys look at the car and they say, but look how dirty it is. Yeah, look how dirty it is. It's got lots of mud. No one will buy the car if it looks like this. No one will want to buy the car if it's full of mud. So, the one monkey says, I know. They decide to wash the car. Very good. Good little monkey. So they're washing the car. They've got some water in the hose. And they've got some cloths and sponge. They are washing the car and they're making it nice and clean. Look! And then they decide to paint the car so it looks colourful with lots of different colours. Yeah. So what do? They're painting red and blue, green, purple. So many colors, yeah. You see they've got some green dots, yeah, and red dots. Very good. And blue dots. Lots of colors on the car. Wow, look at the car. It looks very good. It's got dots and stars. Everything's looking good on this car. But nobody can see the car. No one can actually see the car, so no one can buy the car. The one little monkey says, I know. And what do? They try to push the car. They're pushing the car, all the monkeys, and they're pushing it very hard. And one little monkey's inside trying to drive, but he's too short. He cannot see. He's very short. So what happens? The car goes wee down the hill. And the monkeys are running after the car. Oh no. The car goes boom in the swamp. That is not good. The car is in the swamp. How are they going to get the car out? How can they get the car out? And look, somebody says, I know. But who is that? Who is that? Is it a frog? No? Is it a crocodile? Should we see? Yeah. It is a crocodile. Yeah, and there's 1, 2, 3 crocodiles. And look at the monkeys. They jump into the car. Yeah, they jump into the car very quickly. They don't like the crocodiles. Oh, and the crocodile says, we can help you. We can push the car, but you have to come help us. You've got to get out of the car. And the monkey said, no, we're not getting out. If you were strong, you could do it on your own. So the crocodile says, we are strong. Look, we are strong. We can do it. So the crocodiles begin to help. And they're pushing the car. They're pushing and pushing. Look. They're pushing this car all the way back up the hill. All the way back to the house. And the crocodiles are so tired. Yeah, look. They are tired. And the monkey said, poor crocodiles, look how tired you are. Yeah, oh dear. And they said, you'll never be able to walk home. What you need is a car. Yes. So the monkeys are very clever. They sell the car to the crocodiles. Very good. And the crocodiles jump in. They jump into the car and off they go. And the monkeys, look, they run in and they say, Mama, we sold the car for a check to the crocodiles. And Mama says, but the crocodiles could have eaten you. This is dangerous. And the monkey said, it's all fine. We are safe and we sold the car. So Mama and the monkeys go off and they buy a new car. Wow! Look at this car. It's beautiful. Is the car green? No. Is the car blue? No. This car is red. You've got it. This is red. Very good. And the monkeys are driving and they drive past the crocodile and they say, hello crocodiles. And the crocodiles say, hello monkeys. And the crocodiles love their car because they can sleep on top of the car. Very good. The end. That's all for now. Goodbye.